Yo, what is good, everybody? Today is August 4th. This is the recap on today. We got a big push up off of New York Session Open. I'm going to go over my levels for the day and exactly what I saw. So, prior to market open, I will jump on the 4-hour time frame so we get a bigger picture idea of what has been going on. So, the last 2 days of last week, so last Thursday and last Friday, we had a massive sell-off to the downside here, and I wanted to see price push up into equilibrium of this 4-hour range. So how that's marked out is I'll draw this tool here from this high right here to this low down here. Boom. So this low down here, we can see that the 50% mark of this range was right here, and we can see that price has tapped into equilibrium of this range. We also had previous day high off of this candle right here that has been taken out as well. So previous day high was from last Friday's high of day, and price has achieved equilibrium. I'll drop back into the 1 minute time frame. Honestly, going into the day today, I did not really expect to take any trades just because it is a no news Monday and it's the beginning of August. So August is notoriously known as pretty much one of the worst trading months of the entire year. So got to be super careful with anything that we're going to take in August. Obviously, it needs to be A+. We're not forcing anything. So going into the day today, super patient like I always am, and we had a big push to the upside here, and unfortunately we did not have any retrace on this leg up. We moved up like 170 points here. So let's see. We'll draw this tool. Yeah, so like over 150 points, big move to the upside, and then we had a lot of consolidation to finish up the AM session. I logged off at 11. Obviously, we can tell that there's nothing in here to take. Pretty fucking obvious. And then after that, we had more consolidation through PM. And then in the afternoon, late afternoon, we finally got that final push to the upside, and we took out that previous day high and tapped into equilibrium of that 4-hour range. So EQ of the 4-hour has been achieved. That should bring some better price action tomorrow. We also got some red folder news tomorrow. And on top of all that, today we did have some earnings come out after market close. So that also could have factored into us not getting any good setups. But more so, it's just there was no news today, no red folder news, and massive push off of market open, no retrace is what it is. So we'll move into tomorrow. I'm glad that EQ of the range has been achieved, so don't have to worry about that. We should get some good movement tomorrow. Super fired up for this week. We're gonna kill it this week, and I'll be back on here tomorrow with another recap. See you guys later.